Remember when editing a video meant hours of tedious work? Cutting clips, color grading, adding effects, a total nightmare that killed your creative spirit. Those days are over. What if I told you AI can now do in seconds what used to take professionals hours? I'm about to blow your mind with something that's going to change everything about how you create content. With your Insta360 action and 360 cameras, you can turn yourself into a cartoon character, replace the sky with something a little more interesting, make cinematic time lapses that look like they were shot on an FPV drone. You can do all that and more with ShotLab, the AI video editing tool that's about to turn anyone into a Hollywood level content creator. And I mean anyone, or rather the AI can do it for you. ShotLab makes creative edits easy. At your fingertips is a continuously updated range of smart templates based on the latest and greatest camera techniques. All you need to do is shoot a video with one of Insta360's 360-degree action cameras, say the X4 or the X3, then tap a few places in the app to insert your video into a template. That's it. The AI does the rest. And some of these work with Insta360's other cameras too. Want to see how it all works? Here are the top 10 AI video editing effects in ShotLab. Let's look at AI Warp. Imagine you're hiking video transforming from a simple travel clip into a living, breathing piece of art. 12 unique styles, 0 technical skills required. The AI does all the creative heavy lifting. Want a vintage film look? Done. Cyberpunk aesthetic? One tap away. Your creativity is the only limit. Choose a style to match your creative vision, or use the custom option to generate your own style with text prompts. Got an epic shot that's ruined by a dull sky? With Sky Swap, you can instantly replace it with something spectacular. As the name suggests, this feature seamlessly swaps out the original sky for a more dynamic one. Clear horizon, dynamic clouds, even surreal landscapes, all with a simple tap. Don't have an expensive drone? No problem. Walk in a straight line with your Insta360 and ShotLab transforms your footage into a cinematic aerial experience. Smooth barrel rolls, dynamic speed ramping. It looks like you hired a professional drone pilot. No need for complex movements. The AI handles all the reframing edits for you right in the app. Feeling electric? This one is for you. Suddenly you're not walking through a landscape, you're powering through it with visual effects like a Marvel movie. Flames, electric sparks, energy beams, all center perfectly on you or your subject. Capture incredible time-lapse videos on steroids. Simply walk around interesting locations for about 2 minutes, holding your camera up on a selfie stick. The AI-powered template takes care of everything, seamlessly adding smooth pans and dynamic transitions to bring your footage to life. Just walk, shoot, and let AI do the rest. Perfect for motorcycles, bikes, skateboards. This template combines forward and rear views, rotating the frame 360 degrees. Get ready to flip your perspective like never before. Just like the name suggests, this template will make your head spin literally. Spin Me Around creates the illusion of spinning at super speed, adding an exciting twist to your videos. Combine multiple clips and it looks like you're teleporting between locations. Travel vloggers, this is your new secret weapon. Similar to Spin Me Around, but with a forward-facing twist. Make it look like you're covering vast distances in seconds, complete with electric spark effects. Unlike a regular time-lapse, Streetlapse takes things up a notch, automatically combining 2 clips to create a truly impressive dynamic urban story. Simply film yourself for 20 seconds, then step out of the frame to capture traffic for 1 to 3 minutes. The app will handle the rest. No need to try and stand still for several minutes to achieve the same result anymore. Remember struggling to hide your selfie stick? Those days are gone. ShotLab can make it disappear like magic, even with non-360 cameras. Here's the really exciting part. ShotLab started with just 7 templates a year ago. Now, over 20 and growing. This isn't just an editing tool, it's an evolving creative platform. So, has your camera been sitting on a shelf for a while? Dust it off and discover some new things to do with it. Don't have one yet? Check out the links in my description to get yourself some cams, and I'll see you in the next video.